If you're wondering if you can play YouTube videos in the background on your Samsung phone,
and after you do that, the contact key verification toggle will appear on the screen. Then select continue.
So in this video, I will show you the exact process. Now to do that, just open the Chrome web browser on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the YouTube app on your web browser, then the next step is to tap on the three dots of your web browser. And from here, you will find the option of desktop site. Now just enable desktop site. And after you do that, you will open the web version of the desktop YouTube app on your Samsung phone. Now from here, just open any video which you want to play in the background. For example, I will play this video. Now after you select your video, now just play it and go to your home screen. And after you go to your home screen, a notification will appear in the notification panel of your Samsung phone. Play the video from the notification panel just like that.
Just tap on it, then tap on Update Apple Account Settings. Tap on Continue. Now if your iPhone asks you to create a passcode for your iPhone, just create a passcode which must consist of at least 6 digits for your iPhone. Then select You.
And as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background.
Use anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN.
And this is how you can play YouTube videos in the background on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.